What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel for another video, and this time we have the October box from Trendy Butler, and as you can see they've changed from envelopes to actual boxes, so I'm really excited to crack into it. So let's get started and see what we have. Alright, so honestly, yeah, I really do, I'm happy about the boxes. It feels like there's a lot of stuff in there too, so that's exciting. But you know, the box just seems a little bit more like classy, I guess, if you will, than just an envelope. So let's open this thing up here. That's cool. Inside the box, we've got you covered, literally. And then we've got the tissue paper there with the Trendy Butler sticker on it. So let's take this out. Alright, let's see. Ooh! Ooh, yes, girl, this is exciting. So on top, this is from a brand called Cohesive & Company, and this is like a suede. Dude. Yes, look at this. I like that a lot. It's almost like I want to call it a suede bomber jacket, which, yeah, I guess that's what you'd call it. It's like a black suede bomber. It's got like a cool belt on the bottom, zip pockets, and it feels like a little bit stretchy, so it seems like it's gonna be super comfy. It is a medium and it looks like it's gonna fit perfectly. I am super fucking stoked on that. And we also have what looks like a zip-up hoodie here. Okay. Interesting, the two tones. We've got like a charcoal, well, a little lighter than charcoal gray and kind of an olive green. Feels really, really soft. What brand is this? This is from Threads for Thought. Also a medium, so it should fit me very nicely as well. This particular hoodie does have the front pockets, which I always like. Let's see here. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so Threads for Thought. I like their little kind of globe logo there, and on the back of the tag it says, every purchase you make is a choice. Choose sustainable, ethically made from sustainable materials. So that's nice. I like this. I definitely don't have any like two-tone hoodies like that, so that is pretty cool. And I don't have much like green clothing in general, but if I am gonna go green, I like the more like olivey shades. So that is super exciting. I'm stoked on both of these, so let's try them on. Alright, so as you can see, these colors of the hoodie don't really go with the pink shirt that I'm wearing. However, it is super soft. It's very comfortable. It fits great. It's not too tight. It's not too loose. And a big thing for me is that although it's a medium, the sleeves are long enough for me. And that's huge because I have really long arms. So normally like medium sweatshirts sometimes have really short sleeves, but this one does not. So I'm really happy about that. But I have to tell you, the hoodie is blown away by this black suede bomber. I love this thing. Once again, the fit is perfect. The sleeves are good and long for me. It's nice and slim, but it's not too tight. It's not too large. And I think it looks great. It feels really comfortable. It feels warm enough, like the perfect thing for fall. So I'm really, really excited about that. The only thing that's a little bit odd is that it almost feels like it's designed as like a women's jacket because the zipper and the belt are on the opposite side that they normally are for men's in terms of like the buckle and where the zipper clasp is, but it doesn't really matter because when it's zipped up and whatever, you can't even tell, so who cares? Alright, so I would definitely call that a major fucking success. That was a great box. I'm really super stoked about that suede bomber. I think it looks fucking hip. So I'm really looking forward to wearing that in the fall because, I mean, it's black, so it's going to go with like all of my outfits. And it looks really sharp. I don't have any suede bombers, so I'm really, really stoked about that. So I guess that about wraps things up for this Trendy Butler unboxing. Really, really good month, and that's why I love autumn, because we can get like some long sleeve clothes and stuff, and you can start layering and you're not going to be sweating your ass off. So I'm really excited about these clothes, and I always forget to mention this in these videos, but if you're new to this and you are thinking about trying Trendy Butler, there's 65 bucks a month and you get a box every month of random clothes that are picked out to your style and size specifications. And I do have a discount code for you guys down below for 10% off your first box. So that's about it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I've got lots and lots more content coming down the pipe, so if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with all that stuff. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.